insurance company, after they came in, they said we got to do some work on the roof. So we're just coming by to look at the roof. We don't need to come in. We're just looking at the roof. And I'll let you and your daughter know when they're ready to start working on it.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Beautiful. Thank you for sending this over. I really appreciate it. We got the rent.
Oh,
We got the
yeah.
rent. Thank you so much.
Yeah, definitely. I take it over.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate you so much. I just wanted to say hello and introduce myself.
Oh, okay.
All right.
You told me your name?
I'm Jullien. Jullien. Yeah. I'm Jullien. Good. Well, have a great day, and I'll let you know when they need to start on the roof. Okay.
Okay, so you're going with the top?
Yeah. So,
Oh,
yeah. Well, get better. Get better. Go get some rest.
all right.
All right. We'll see you soon.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye-bye.
So that was me meeting my tenant for the first time. Literally bought this property for $25,000. Got it from a wholesaler here in Baton Rouge, and I got rents right here. I'm not gonna blow up her address and everything like that, but I will show you. This. You see, that is $502.50. So that's $750 off a $25,000 investment. Only thing I got to do is some roof work. The insurance company pointed out that I got to do some roof work, but besides that, we good to go. So this is what it means to invest from a distance. There are deals to be found regardless of the market, y'all. Regardless of the market. Don't let that narrative, this is seller's market, things are just too high right now. There are always deals to be found, and this is an example of one right here. All right, so if you want to learn how to do this, come on, join the webinar, and we'll teach you how to invest from a distance, especially for those of you on the West Coast, East Coast, where the market is extremely high. We'll show you how to invest in smaller, secondary, less expensive markets like Baton Rouge. All right, come to the webinar. Peace.